In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do Buddha's Guardian Pounds the Mortar. This movement is the sixth movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is the old frame first routine. So let's get into the video. Hi, welcome back to Center Life Balance. My name's Colin, and in this video we're covering the sixth movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, Buddha's Guardian Pounds the Mortar. This version of Buddha's Guardian Pounds the Mortar follows the previous movement, which was single whip. There's some variations to this movement that you weren't seeing earlier in the form, so let's have a look at this movement in closer detail. So beginning at the end of the previous movement, which was single whip. So for single whip, the weight is on your left leg. Weight all the way over to the left. You've got the right arm into your hook, left arm pressing out. So to begin the movement, we're going to be turning to the left with the hips, but our weight is going to stay in the left leg. So first of all, we've got to be turning here at the waist, and the left hand is coming out like this and coming back in. So it's making this kind of a movement here. So from here in this position, out and back in. So the hands are just following the body, so turning from the center, shifting the weight all the way back to the right. So you may have seen this movement. It's very similar to double-handed silk reeling. Shifting the weight forward now. Shifting the weight back again. So make sure you're changing weight each time. And here. Now this time, as we shift the weight forward, we're going to open the hands out like this. So the left arm is moving with the body, the right arm is staying behind, you could say. So from here, staying behind a little bit. Then we're going to turn the body, we're turning the right foot, opening the body a little bit more to the left. Again, the turning in on the heel of the back foot so that you can step forward a little bit. Stepping forward now, hand coming down on top of the forearm, stepping up. Let's look at the movement now at normal pace. Now let's look at Buddha's Guardian Pounds the Mortar preceded by single whip. So we're going to do the two moves together so you can get an idea of the speed and the flow for these two movements together. That concludes this video, guys. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do white crane spreads its wings. What questions do you have about the Tai Chi form? I'd love to hear in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.